If you are looking for a car that is totally tech-savvy, from its nose to its bumper, you're in for a treat with the Hyundai Elantra GT. While this car's dimensions may be compact, the technology inside is anything but. The Elantra GT's beautiful 7-inch touchscreen in-dash display lets you do way more than navigate. Along with navigation and its unique hidden rear-view camera, this system gives you the option of controlling your phone or audio via voice recognition as well. And with available Bluetooth technology, the Elantra GT lets you stay in touch without having to take your hand off the wheel. And if you're the type that loves crooning to your dashboard, you're in luck. The Elantra GT's standard audio system enables you to listen to your favorite music from a variety of sources like AM/FM, CD, MP3, and Sirius XM satellite radio. The technology in the Elantra GT wasn't designed for your comfort alone. Its auto defogging system uses sensors near the windshield glass to detect humidity and automatically remove it, improving your visibility and driving safety. So as you can see, the Elantra GT offers technology that is as impressive as its unique styling. Want to check out all these unique features yourself? Go ahead. So schedule a test drive of your very own at Ken Garff Hyundai today.